Some people read every book, watch every podcast, and study every failure, yet they remain stuck. If knowledge alone led to growth, why do so many smart people stay the same? The truth is, knowing is not enough. Many people collect lessons but never change. Why? There are 3 silent reasons. Comfort, because learning feels safe while action feels risky. Overthinking, as they wait for the perfect plan or moment that never arrives. And emotional weight, where unhealed wounds masquerade as wisdom but are really just fear. To break free, act before you feel ready. Action brings clarity. For every lesson you learn, set one action rule. No action means the lesson is ignored. Heal from failure. Do not just analyze it. Forgive yourself and move forward. Remember, more knowledge does not equal more results. Execution is greater than consumption. Today, write down the last 3 lessons you learned from someone else's failure. Next to each, write one real action you will take this week. Do the smallest one within 24 hours. Success belongs to those who apply what they learn. Comment below, which lesson have you been holding on to but not acting on? Like, share, and subscribe for more transformation. Comment below, which lesson have you been holding on to but not acting on? Like, share, and subscribe to RS Inspire World, where we stop overthinking and start becoming